Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is YesWelder Stick TIG Welding Machine. The YesWelder ARC145DS is a powerful stick and lift TIG capable machine, offers much more than you would expect from a welder this size. Weighing in at just under 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, the ARC145DS is no lightweight contender. It packs the full punch of a heavyweight professional that you can take to the most demanding job sites. It features dual voltage, allows for connection to 120 or 240 volt receptacles without tools, making it simple to weld in a garage, shop or backyard. Great reduction in copper and core loss greatly enhances the welding efficiency and saves energy. Switching frequency is beyond audio frequency, which almost eliminates noise pollution. Machine with HF high frequency arc starting, TIG, lift TIG, stick/arc function. The user easily selects the function depending on the environment if needed. HF TIG need to connect argon gas into machine. For lift TIG the torch need a gas hose connect to gas bottle. Under stick function, machine with hot arc starting and anti-stick. Machine designed basic on dual voltage 110 volts/220 volts, under 220 volts, TIG mode is 215 amps, MMA is 200A. Under 110 volts, 185 amps for TIG, 165 amps for stick. The machine with 110 volts power plug, a conversion wire in the package, 220 volts male 110 volts female. The post time for the gas can be adjusted from 2 to 8 seconds, it is IGBT inverter technology, 50/60ths of a hertz 110 220ths of a volt base, with LED current display show the real current. This machine with full new, advanced technology and high quality electronic parts, these can help machine makes perfect work. Our second best 110V TIG welder is Silval TIG Welding Machine. Silval MIG Welder 140 amp can weld various materials with stick/TIG function. Unique IGBT power device enhances efficiency and reliability. Reliable and stable MIG 140A inverter welding machine with electric smothering control for good formation and deep penetration. Thermal and overload protection ensures your safety in the machines. Single phase, adjustable power setting welding machine suitable for flux, no gas, welding. Lightweight at 14.77 pounds, with 8140A welding current and 23.5 volts no load voltage. MIG welder uses 0.8 mm or 1.0 mm flux core wire and can weld mild steel plates up to 0.64 cm. Large enough to hold 2 pounds of wire, and compact enough to take anywhere. ARC welder adopts automatic compensation for fluctuation, and no electromagnetic noise mechanism that enables safe operation. The design makes the welding machine light and easy to carry. Great for studio or home use. You can use it to weld doors and windows, fences, repair cars and more. Definitely a good helper for your life and work. The welder is capable of welding with TIG AC square/TIG AC triangular/TIG AC pulse square/TIG AC pulse triangular/TIG DC pulse/TIG DC/stick methods. AC TIG is used in finesse welding various aluminum alloys, magnesium alloys and other non-ferrous metals. DC TIG provides low temperature control. You need precise welding for various types of steel, stainless steel, carbon steel, copper. Third pick in our list is Hone TIG Synergic Welding Machine. The wire feeding speed, current, and welding voltage will be automatically matched after selected diameter of the welding wire, 0.030/035 inch flux core wire. The MIG welder is easier to make a beginner to become a master welder. This 3-in-1 welder has excellent lift arc TIG function. Just touch the tungsten rod to the workpiece and lift off, easily arc starting, don't need to scratch it, it's like you're getting a TIG welder for free. This multi-process welder built-in automatic anti-stick, compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overheat protection, short circuit damage protection, to make sure the welding kit safely operation and long life. The wire feed welder is capable of welding all kinds of ferrous metals such as carbon steel, medium carbon steel, mild steel, stainless steel and cast iron. Only weighs 10.1 pounds, easy to carry with a handle or shoulder strap included, very suitable for outdoor maintenance, farm, road equipment, and home DIY. The unique -ARC technology patent improves arc striking speed from 200 milliseconds to 40 milliseconds, 99.99% arc striking success rate, which improves welding efficiency and gets better welding results. Digital constant current regulation technology ensures low noise and high stable arc quality at the full specification. The AC/DC TIG welder is equipped to prevent the burning of materials and minimize material distortion from excessive heat input, as well as the triangular wave reduces the heat input effectively, so the weld forms rapidly. It is easy for thin metal welding. Square wave can switch the polarity quickly, dynamic arc for a stable weld pool, a strong ability to clean aluminum oxide film, so it provides more precise welding on aluminum or aluminum alloy. Number 4 in our side is Thulium 200A TIG Welder. The welder is great for TIG welding steel and stainless steel, but it will not create a pool on aluminum. This Thulium 200A high-frequency TIG welder has advanced features yet easy to use. The versatility of a unit that runs DC TIG welding and stick welding is definitely a surprise. The digital display and automation are very user-friendly. You can use the machine's presets or make adjustments to fine-tune the unit's performance to match your preferences. Either way, you'll get smooth and precise welding with enough power to handle a wide range of tasks. The use of high-frequency start in TIG welding is considered by many operators to be the most popular and best option due to its cleanliness and efficacy. The friendly user interface makes machine setup easy. Let hobbyists, makers, small fabricators and craftsmen explore their creativity. MCU digital control system makes this machine more reliable and stable. Parameters such as pre-flow, initial current, upslope, peak current, base current, downslope, crater current, post-flow, pulse duty, AC frequency, AC balance, pulse frequency, are easily adjustable, and 2T/4T/spot welding TIG torch control and foot pedal remote control, not included, methods which improve good welding performance. Number 5 in our top 5 best 110V TIG welder list is Endelli TIG welding machine. This MIG welder has flux MIG, lift TIG and MMA mode 110 volts/220 volts. With this multifunction welding machine, you will be able to save time and money when meeting different welding needs. Large LED screen design provides you with accurate data display and makes you read more easier and clearer. It increases the heat dissipation of the power device, control circuits, minimizes dust absorption, thereby greatly improving longevity and reliability. The welding machine has a simple control panel, excellent welding characteristics. Through a unified adjustment mode, you will master the use of the machine in a few minutes. The operation is very convenient. The use of high-quality integrated wire feeder to ensure smooth wire feed, adjustable welding voltage, current. This welder machine can be installed with 0.030-inch 1 kg flux cord welding wire so that flux cord welding can be performed very easily and conveniently. The welding cart is constructed of high-quality metal with full black coating. Fully painted cart can withstand rust and wear, and a strong welding cart for your long-term use. With 0.4 inches thickness, this welder cart can hold weight up to 220 pounds. The design of thickened universal wheels makes the use of this welder cart easier and more stable, allowing you to move the product in any environment. This rolling cart has 4 drawers to store your welding tools. In addition, the tilted top tier can hold your welding machines, and the rear tier with 2 safety chains facilitates the fixation of gas cylinders. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.